Alright, Pyros, wanted to give you a stash update while I had a chance. I've been so busy, it's ridiculous. Had to move a lot of stuff around. Got this bad boy right here. Real happy to get this. Love all the red, white, and blue. Got a case of these Ochos. Got another case of those Adamander containments. Really like those. I need to stock back up on some more shells. I'm starting to get a little low on some of that. Of course, I picked up this bad boy right here. Chihuahua, 50 shots. You know what this is, don't you, Pyros? That's the rewrap of Puffs. You know what Puffs is? Real happy to get this. Look at that bad boy there. Real happy to add that to the stash. And you got that bad boy right there. Got that bad boy right there. Got a box up here of the 8-inch skull crushers. Got a case of those 8-inch Ochos. Here's some shells down here I got. All these are gonna end up going towards the show. I still gotta, I'm gonna have to fuse a bunch of racks. That whole box right over here is full of stuff that getting ready to demo whenever I get a chance. Sorry, Pyros, I've been busy. Here are all these other cakes over here. Case of high stakes. King of the Block. That new Outcast. Rampage. Case of Sky Candy. Some other cakes over here. Mr. Moneybags. They Killed Kenny. Jose, can you see? Some other stuff. I'm getting ready to demo. Some bunch of older stuff. Another Pyro needed some stuff. Try to help him out. Also added that here recently, that Street Fighter. Get that Gremlins. Haven't seen any other Pyros with Let It Go this year. So I had to get that bad boy. That's one of my favorites. Another one back there. Those Jungle Fevers, Double Troubles, Happy Endings, some red, white, and blue Pro Line stuff. Just wanted to give you Pyros a stash update where I had a chance. Got these candles. Demo these bad boys, and these are supposed to both be alternating, so we'll check both these out. Look at the wraps on these, it's sick. You got the red, white, and blue, and then definitely like the red wrap on these. Great balls of fire. We'll do some demos when I get a chance, and then I got some more Smurf nuts over there too. Real happy to get those. The Pyro helped me out to get those. Appreciate you. There you got the original Brian song. Look at that, huh? Huh? Sick ass wrap right there. I had to get that just because the wrap. That boy. Of course, you got the budget chest. A bunch of loose stuff over here. Yeah, I still got to move a bunch of stuff around. As you can see, I'm getting a little limited on space again here. Alright, Pyros, wanted to give you a stash update, just a small little pickup. give you guys an update while I had a chance. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.